Everyone, where does shark live? Yes, in the sea. And where does eagle live? Yes, in the sky. And where does dog live? In the house? Yeah, yeah, in the house. So why don't we play a game from your animal toys? Why don't we categorize animal into the sea, land, and then the sky? Okay, okay, but first we have to. How do you think we usually do this? Okay, let's get a big paper, and and then then we can uh, paint it like a ocean, and then we can paint it like a land, and then we can paint it like a sky. Okay, yeah. So yeah, with so how would you paint an ocean? Yes, dark blue or purple. Yeah, come on, you can try it. And Brian, how would you paint the land? What what color is the land? Yes, it is green. And how will you paint the sky? Yes, you can just paint it light blue. So good job on the painting. So here are your animal toys, and let's now classify them based on where they live. First off, we have cheetah. Where do you think the cheetah goes from here? Yes, in the land. Good job, everyone.